Hey guys, today's ride was a personal challenge, 5,000 feet of descending in 3 hours, door to door.
Shuttle day means that the trails at the top are in really good shape. I'm going to leave my truck up there, worry about finding it later. Shuttle day, shuttle day. All right, I made it to the top. It's a half hour in and 33 degrees and snowing and sleeting, so wish me luck.
She said that she would wait 1,000 miles and oh so far away. I hope that I was right. She knew that she was wrong.
All right, a little over 1 hour in and it is time to climb. All right, Sweet Connie, after a little bit of rain.
I walked into the room. There wasn't much to say.
That did not go as well as I had planned it to.
What you owe, 'cause I played this game so long.
Rain. I'm 2 hours in and I'm done with Sweet Connie. Time to do a little road transfer over to the next trail. Time to ride again. I got 15 minutes to get home, which means burn rubber, no stop. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. No damage. When in doubt, ride it out. 3:14, which puts the ride at 3 hours and 4 minutes. No doubt, a little bit of overage due to my creaky drivetrain. Nothing to do with the crash, I rode that out.